So now looking at the results, we shall come here and click on the results, and then we try to look at the different results. We have these plots. We have, this is the power pressure fracture and the mud weight plot. So it is showing you that what we are having in red is the power pressure, what we have in blue is the fracture pressure, and then a pink is the mud weight in the open annulus and mud weight in the cast annulus. So this is showing the equivalent mud weight in ppg, and this is the measured depth. So that's our first result. So we got the next, we look at our deviation profile. This is how it looks like. So come back to deviation and we look at the section view. This is how it looks like. We come back to results again. We can look at the plane view. This is how it looks like. So we continue looking at our results and this tabbed temperature. That's how it looks like. We have these other results, the fluid temperature. That's how the fluid temperatures look like. We can continue. I'm going to randomly select. So this is the equivalent saturating density, ECD. This is how it looks like. We continue. Since we were using the single operations, so we can look at these other results. So I'm choosing randomly for you to view the results that we have for our work. So this one is not showing. It's for only the cementing operations. There's no data for these, but like you can see, we are able to get enough data on this. If you want to view the schematic, you come here, you click on so we've seen how our results have come through. This is our dog leg profile. So I hope we've understood. The other results that you may want to see is path editor, and then so you can also come here to wellbore, and then you can try to view general schematic. So this is how it looks like. In this part, this is our general schematic. This is how it looks like, with all the details: conductor casing, surface casing, intermediate casing, and the liner. So if you want, you can only view one screen. So depending on what you want to look at, see how the power pressures are. So you get that information from here. And see the casings, any part of the wellbore you want to view, you just come here. So any questions, they are very much welcome. Otherwise, it's still me, Thomas, taking you through, and thank you for making it this far. We are left with one, which will be generally well cost, that is petroleum economics. I hope you'll be with us tomorrow to attend the last part of Landmark, and I hope you've been able to learn one or two things. So, here's Thomas on this side. Thank you very much for being part